Hello, Martin here from WWScenics, and this is the second S in our 5S system. So the first S that we did, just to recap quickly, okay, was skeleton, which is that. That's your skeleton, so you've built that, okay. Now we're going to go into structure, right? But before that, quickly, the sharp-eyed people of you will notice that I'm not in my modelling room, or not in the shop. I'm actually in my kitchen at home. My lovely wife Kath is filming me. Say hello, Kath.
Hi.
We've got one camera, which is the phone, so I'm trialing it out. But I also want to show you that you can get out of your modelling room, you can get out of your layout room and build this anywhere you want to, right? You know what I mean? It becomes sociable, you know what I mean? It doesn't become a chore then. You can just literally build. It takes 10 minutes to build one of these, okay? You know what I mean? Less than 10 minutes, right? Once you get the hang of it. Right, okay, up to a certain point, you know what I mean, and then you can plonk it onto your layout. So just to say that you're not tied into any of your rooms, you can crack on with it. Right, okay, so like I said, so the second S stands for structure. Now, let me just move some bits. We'll move that one. So you can see that we built the skeleton, you know what I mean, and it is a skeleton, right? Okay, so it needs a bit of muscle, a bit of sinew, and that to get going, right? Okay. Now a lot of people make it out of chicken wire and plaster of Paris and all that type of thing, with stuffed newspaper or high density foam, which takes a lot to carve off, that type of thing, right? Okay. And obviously we've got infills here as well that we need to do. So we've got our modeling metal, it's an aluminium sheet. Right, so you need to be careful when you're using it, because it's got sharp edges. Sometimes it's good to wear some gloves, okay. I'm not wearing any gloves at the moment, but you know, I mean, normally I would, right? And hot glue gun, okay. And also, what you get in the pack, right, is a handy little embankment tool, right, okay. It's got a measurement there, right, because most people, you know, especially myself, I'm always looking for rulers, right, okay. You know what I mean? So you don't need to, there's got a ruler ready for you, like, in the means, okay? But also it's a template, right, for the aluminium, okay? Right, and so you just follow that template, cut it out, right? So you just draw it on there, so you get the edge of the scissors, right? And I'll show you now what to do. And all we're gonna do is glue it onto there. You don't need to go up over the track, okay? So just in case anybody was worrying about, oh, it might short out my electrics or something like that, we're not gonna touch the track. We're not even gonna go up onto that. All we're doing is covering them bits, just basically so we haven't got to fill them in, right? Okay, so I'll move that out of the way at the moment. Using our template, okay, obviously it's two that comes into the box, right? And we also give you enough then because this is, like I said, it's a single track, one end, one profile, right? But the other ones will have single track, double profile, or double track with double profile or single profile, right? Okay, I'll explain that you know what I mean, in a later video, right? And I'll show you all the different types that we've got, but we give you enough to cover it all, right? Okay, so you might have more than that in this one, right? So just let me move that one out of the way as well. So just get the aluminium down, okay? Put your template over it and just score. Right, all we're doing is scoring. It's basically doing a pencil job, you know what I mean? Okay, and then score over there. Okay, there we go. There's the line that we need. And then pair of scissors, a good pair of scissors. Now we're going to sell all the tools with it as well, like as a bundle. And then you just cut it out. So nobody wants to watch me cutting out aluminium sheet, and so I sped it up for you. Make sure, guys, you wear gloves. Not like me. Okay. There we go. Any excess that you have left over, if you're not using it on another embankment, what you can actually do, you can use them for rocks and boulders, so you can make a former out of it and put a fiber mold in there, you know what I mean, which will make some rocks and boulders, especially for this, if you want to make some small ones, all sorts of things. You can use it for, you know what I mean, other projects. Really good, versatile bit of kit that is. Like I said, be careful now, right, because it's got sharp edges, right, okay, so I tend to flatten it out as well, right, as best we can. But again, it's going to be underneath stuff, so don't worry about it. You haven't got to be perfect, like, you know what I mean, so just get it there. But again, the sharp edges were there. Again, make sure you wear some work. So now what we're going to do now is literally put it onto the front, okay, And all I use here, so I tend to, gonna do the tops up there and then bend it over. I'll show you the technique now, so I'm gonna have to get Kath to come around now. Yeah, if it slowly comes around. I'm gonna go that slow, you can come around. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna work there, so you're gonna work over the top and either there, right, okay? So all we're gonna do is, we've got a hot glue gun here. I'm just gonna have a quick slurp of my coffee. Always make sure you've got a cup of coffee or your favourite beverage by the side of you while you're doing modelling. Just makes it so much easier. And then all we're going to do is just dab of hot glue. Not a lot. Yeah, so start at the top. Drag down a little bit. It's hot glue, so be careful. Again, be careful. Gloves to be worn because the heat's going to transfer through the metal again. I'm an experienced modeler and I've been done this a few times now, so I'm okay with it. All right, so get it on. Yeah, that's all we're doing at the moment is lining it up, right up to the track base. Okay, the track bed. Right now then, so it's like that. Got a good shot there? Mm-hmm. Yeah, good. There are. So it's like that. Leave it like that in a minute. Let that glue dry a little bit more. Right? Okay. So while we're waiting for that glue to dry.
More coffee.
More coffee. Yeah. Now that there's a well-known company and it's a Welsh company. So I know that I'm promoting that, but I'm promoting a Welsh company. So cheers. Right. Okay. So that's dry. That's happy days. Yeah. Okay. So exactly the same now. You don't need a lot. Generally, you do not need a lot, right? Because again, like I was saying to you, the next stages, yeah, they're going to be covered again, right? So you might not be able to see this, but a little bit in there. Try and keep it inside. Not like me. Try and keep it inside the former. But that again doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Like I said, you're going to dress it up anyway. So we're going to just cut it. Just try and get down to the edges. I missed that edge there. Yeah. Same again on all four. Okay, and that applies to it all. And I mean, if we're doing multiples again, I'll do another video how to do a multiple one because we were going to cover the join. So again, like I said in the first video, you don't need to glue it, but so this is how. And then again, be careful because it's hot glue. Dab it down. Yeah, and leave it dry. Okay, that's all we need to do. Yeah, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Because it's glue gun, once it's a little bit soft, yeah, you can peel it off a little bit, right? Okay. Right, okay, so now, there it is. Job done, pretty much, right? And because it's metal, we'll get a flat edge or a spoon, yeah, that type of thing, right? You can just sort of meld it into that one if you want to, right? But you don't need to, okay? Because it is literally just your structure. All you are doing is filling in this without filling in that, yeah? Wasting product. That little sheet there, yeah, has done its job. I know it looks flat, yeah, you know what I mean? And there is no texture to it, or there's no, no texture or no bumps or grumps or like you get with the, you know what I mean, on embankments. Don't worry about it. I'll show you that in the technique later on, right? Okay. So Kath can go back around now, yeah, okay. So you can see literally what we were, I think we're 4 minutes doing that. Yeah, you know what I mean? So we were talking about 2-3 minutes gluing that together. We're talking about, you know, and I'm talking now to do this nice and slow. Yeah, we've done that in about, you could do that within a minute after cutting it out, 2 minutes, right? We're already there. We're already there with an embankment. Yeah, you know what I mean? So the next stage after this, yeah, is the other S, which again is another video, which I'll show you again. But just to quickly recap on this one, yeah, we've done the skeleton, right? Which was, we started off with that one. We glued it all together, let it glue, and it's ready to butt up against there. Yeah, okay, right? Don't forget, it's got your wiring and all that, but you're not going to do your wiring detail yet, right? You want to do that afterwards. Again, you're not in your modeling room. You're having a beer somewhere, yeah, doing that, yeah, and waiting for me to tell you the next stage. Then the next stage is obviously using our tool, yeah, the template. So that cuts out the template for that, yeah, and it cuts out the template for something else after the next S, right? Okay. Measurement, like I said, if you want to cut down your embankment because you know what I mean, that's too long. So we need to say, right, okay, I want that length, but I only want that to there. Don't forget, you've got your slider. Yeah, in case you're watching this one first, right? Make sure you watch the first one first, which is the first S, skeleton. This is the second S, structure. So you've already cut it to length, but you've got your slider, which once you cut it, you can slide it back and forth, and you've got your measurement on there to measure it up, right? Then we've done our structure. That's it. Next stage, next is the third S. So until then, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, and welcome to my home as well. Say goodbye, Kath.
Bye.
And bye-bye from me.